Have you ever heard the line, you have the attention span of a goldfish? That would actually be a compliment. Your attention span is worse. You see, Bubbles' attention span is 9 seconds, and the average human attention span is less than 8 seconds. 25 years ago, it was 4 seconds longer. So what's happened? For one thing, we've got this constant influx of information. We got all of our digital content, notifications, and multitasking. I have it somewhere. Frequent switching between tasks, emails, and apps creates a dopamine reward loop. Oh, yeah. So this is why this is bad. Oh, one more thing. For team members, when attention spans are short, lengthy instructions or unclear messages can result in missed details and wasted effort. Patients can often feel overwhelmed by dental jargon or treatment options. I'm gonna have to check your occlusion again. They have short attention spans too. So how do we better adapt? Say more with fewer words. Chunk information. Break content into small, digestible pieces. Lead with an attention-grabbing headline. Use stories. Stories captivate. Be clear and direct. Avoid technical jargon. Use active listening to ensure understanding. Leverage visuals. Dental visuals can demystify procedures. So let's reclaim our attention with intentional habits and prove we're much better than being just worse than a goldfish. Right, Bubbles? Why can't goldfish focus? He doesn't listen. Doesn't even look at me.